Good afternoon, students. So today we are in English lecture. Okay. Already 3 chapters we have completed from English subject. Now we move on to the 4th one. That is a song, a string song. Okay. So here, this is a very good lesson. Actually, it is an activity based lesson. Yeah. If you open your workbook, you can see a short explanation about this lesson. No exercises have been given in the textbook, but somehow some few question answers they have asked. Okay, just for the purpose of learning. So here, form groups of 8 to 10 children, each to play this game. It's a sort of game. I will just read out it so that you can understand. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I have bought? Some red shiny apples. That's what I got. So what the first child is telling, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. Now please remember what he bought. Some red shiny apples. The second child adds something. When I went to the market, he also says the same thing. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. That's what I got. So here second child, what he bought? Some red shiny apples. Same. The first child bought some red shiny apples. Second child also is saying the same thing. Some red shiny apples and a big loaf of bread. Okay. The third child adds one more thing. Means he also is having the same 2 things. Apples and bread. Now the third thing is, he says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread and a pack of color pencils. So this is the third thing that he has bought. Third child. First child, only red shiny apples. Second child, a big loaf of bread as well as shiny apples, red shiny apples. And third child, a pack of color pencils along with these 2 things, apples and bread. So this you can just carry on with 8 to 10 children. Okay, the participants in this game. Now here, if you have a big sack of, see here, you can see the picture. Here, it's a sack of wheat or a gram flour. So you can say it is a sack. See, a big, you can see the picture. From that you can make out what it is actually. Second picture is of a liquid soap. A pack of liquid soap. Then some juicy ripe mangoes. These are the things that they are helping to tell us that if you just don't remember what to add in the game. These are the things you can go on adding. Okay, some sack of wheat or rice, then a liquid soap, then some juicy ripe mangoes, pair of blue bangles, big jar of honey, so on and so forth. So this game goes on and on. With maximum 8 to 10 children, they can play this game. And as I have told earlier, that this is an activity based lesson. So in this way, every child repeats in the correct order. Okay, what others have said and adds something new on his own. He has to repeat the things what first child has told, then second, then third, and this way it goes on. And then he should add the thing he has bought. The game continues up to the last child. Okay, so this is the actually activity based lesson. Now we will see some of the question answers based on this lesson. So please open your workbook. Page number 14. Okay, page number 14. Please open. Pick out the rhyming words in the first stanza. Do you find these words in all the stanzas? So here, first it is, I will just write down, please note down. Bought, got. Sorry. bought, bought. Okay. Second is only one word we have found from the first stanza, that is bought, and the rhyming is bought. Okay, so first question is completed. Second, write the words of your own that will rhyme with. Now first here is bread. Now please note down rhyming words. Red, R-E-D, red, comma, spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, red, spread. These are the rhyming words with bread. Second one is honey. Please note down sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, comma, money, M-O-N-E-Y, S-U-N-N-Y, comma, M-O-N-E-Y. Third is soap. Rhyming words are rope, R-O-P-E, hope, H-O-P-E. Soap, rope, hope. Okay. Fourth one is big, and the rhyming words are dig, D-I-G, comma, fig, F-I-G. So here these rhyming words also we have completed. Now fill-ups are there some. Okay, I will write it here. First is dash dash apples. They have mentioned. So the fill-up is red shiny apples. I'm just writing down the words that you have to write in blanks. Red shiny apples. Second one, dash loaf. It is big loaf. Third one, dash dash mangoes. Juicy ripe. Juicy ripe mangoes. Fourth one, dash bangles. Blue bangles. Okay. Fifth one, dash flowers. White flowers. Sixth one, dash soap. Liquid soap. So here we have completed the fill-ups also. Now a string of flowers. The word string is used for a group of flowers taken together as a whole. Similarly, we say a bunch of bananas. Now choose the correct group word from the brackets and fill in the blank. So first here is, see the words given in the bracket are army, bundle, hive, heap, class, fleet. So first one, I will just write down. First one is dash, a dash of sticks. It's bundle. Okay. Second, a dash of students. A class of students. Then, sorry. Third one, and dash of soldiers, army of soldiers. Then fourth one, a dash of ships, fleet. Fifth one, a dash of stones, heap of stones. Sixth and the last one, a dash of bees, a hive of bees. So here we have completed question number 4 as well as this lesson. That is lesson number 4, a string song. Okay. In the next lecture, we will see a very fantastic and interesting story. That is lesson number 5, story of Sindbad. Okay. So I will take your leave now. Thank you.